Welcome viewers. This morning, want to see how we can make this expression, quadratic expression, a perfect square. Making a quadratic expression perfect square. Okay, so this is a quadratic expression. We want it to be a perfect square. How to do it? A quick one, solution to it. Now, 3x raised to the power 2 plus 10x. To make it a perfect square, there should be a constant value which should be added to this already written expression so that it becomes a perfect square. And for it to be a perfect square, it should be in such a way that ax plus b raised to the power 2. What it means is that when this is factorized, we should be able to get an expression in this form. Okay? Expression that can be multiplied by itself to get this exactly. That is when it is very correct to be called a perfect square. Okay, now, since this, when factorized, should be this, therefore, let us try to expand the right hand side and then compare it to what we have by the left hand side. Remember that the answer we are looking for is the constant value that should be added to this expression in order to make it a quadratic expression, in order to make the quadratic expression a perfect square. Alright. Therefore, 3x squared plus 10x plus k should be equal to ax plus b multiplying ax plus b. Okay, I want to expand this. And when it is expanded, I am going to get 3x squared plus 10x plus k will now be equal to ax times ax will give me a squared x squared. Ax times b will give me abx. Also, b multiplied by ax will give me abx, and b multiplied by b will give me b squared. Okay? Now, 3x squared plus 10x plus k should be equal to a squared x squared. This plus this will give me 2abx, then plus b squared. At this point, I can now comparing the coefficients. And what does that mean? If you look at this here, the coefficient of x squared is a squared. And from the left hand side, the coefficient of x squared is 3. That implies that the value of a squared is equal to 3 by comparing the coefficients. It also means that the value of a alone should be the square root of 3. Also, from the second term, the coefficient of x here is 2ab, and the coefficient of x here is 10. So I now have it 2ab is equal to 10, implying that the value of b should be equal to 10 all over 2a, which is the same thing as 5 all over a. But I know the value of a as square root of 3, which means it is going to be 5 all over square root of 3, the value of b. Also, comparing the constant term, which is what I am looking for, okay, the value of k. If I compare it here now, it is going to be equal to b squared, meaning that k also is equal to b squared, but I have gotten the value of b as is 5 all over root 3. This means that the value of k should be equal to 5 all over root 3 all raised to the power 2, meaning k is now equal to 25 over 3. Remember, we are looking for the constant that should be added to the expression in order to make it a perfect square. Alright? How to make a quadratic expression a perfect square. That is what the topic is all about. Therefore, our answer in conclusion will now be 3x squared plus 10x plus k, and the value of k now is 25 all over 3. This is the complete perfect square. And remember, when you factorize it, it will look in this form. Okay? And what is the value of a now standing for? When it is factorized, like you have it here, it is now going to be the square root of 3x plus 5 all over root 3, okay, or raised to power 2. This is exactly what I have by the right hand side. The factorization of this will give us this. So I encourage you to expand this and see if it will give us exactly what we have here. God bless you for watching to the end. Do subscribe for more exciting videos.